So right now I'm 3D printing just a vase. I'm gonna carve out the inside of it. This plate is really hot. I shouldn't touch it for very long. As you can see here, it's only 60 degrees, so it's not gonna burn me instantly. But there is a little tip, that gold thing, that is like 200 degrees, as you can see here. It's too hot. So what I do is I made this, because it's not very detailed, as you can see, it's just something kind of simple. I put it at a speed of 1.5 to make it go faster. I think I can get all the way up to 2. And it just makes all this machinery go faster. Just printing a 3D vase, I start with a little piece over here so the extruder can get a bunch of stuff out. And then I just start printing it, and then you got a base, and then you just have the actual thing. Look, if I touch this, I feel it's super warm. Just 3D printing something simple. So far it's taken a few hours. It's not a super big printer, so it doesn't print Sonics fast, and all 3D printing takes time because you're making a solid object. Like, I can't squeeze this right now. Just printing that. I use some pretty basic tools. Just use like a pocket tool. Then I use snip. I use just like a pair of snips. Nothing too hard, but just printing. Got that fan going using some white filament. Then you got parts in there, and all just running. This literally just keep going in circles. Nothing super complicated. I'm gonna be printing other things, and I'll show you them later.